Hey girls, it's me, Micah, and welcome back to my channel. And it's been so long since I last posted a video, and I hope you can guys hear me loud and clear. So as you can see, I'm in my old room. I have a lot of toys, a lot of stuffies, a lot of miniature things, and a lot of mess in this side. So I'm really sorry for my old for this background because this is my old room and I feel a little bit nostalgic rather. So I want to film something in this room. This brings a lot of memories. Just a calm video. So today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. So as you can see, I'm actually in front of my old mirror. I'll show you guys. Wait. So here's my setup for today. I have a lot of makeups here, my makeup bags, and that's me in the mirror. And yeah, I'm just gonna film again. Of course, before I start my makeup, I have to tie my hair up because I don't want any messy or hair. Oh, by the way, I got my haircut. Do you think it looked good? It looks good on me or nah? Okay, moving on. I still need to put my hair up. Okay, so I'm gonna use my scrunchie. Guys. I really like this scrunchie. I bought it at Daiso. When I went to Daiso, I bought this scrunchie and it's really good quality, guys. Okay, like that. I also bought this at Daiso when I went there. This makeup clip. So I put it in my hair when I do my makeup, and it actually helps because I have many. If you know, I have a curtain bang, so this helps a lot not to get my hair in the way whenever I do my makeup. So yeah. Okay, now let's start my makeup. So before anything else, I have to wipe all the oils that I have in my face. So I'm gonna use a wipe. So this is a makeup wipes. I normally start with this. Of course, I have to use it on my hands first. We don't have any microbes in my hands because I don't want to dirty my face. I'm breaking out. I mean, adding new germs in my face will definitely worsen my breakouts. Okay, I'm just gonna use a wipe and wipe all the oils in my face. Don't worry, this is a makeup wipe, so it's much more gentle on your face. Sorry, I would use a lot of bases on my face, but I want to recommend a product to you guys. So this is the iWhite Korea Facial Cream. So it's a whitening Vita, and it's 3-in-1. So it's for whitening, protection, and makeup base. So I use this. You can see it if you like it. And you can see it on my TikTok account, on my showcase. So just dots like that. And it's already good enough to apply to your face. Sabi nila kasi, kapag gamit mo daw yung kamay mo, 50% of the product will go to your hands. Pero kasi guys, I'm broke. I don't have money. This is really a good makeup base, guys. Kasi nababrighten niya talaga yung face ko. And marami din ako nakikitang artist na gumagamit nito. Kaya, I can say na marirecommend ko talaga siya. Tignan nyo guys, na-brighten agad yung face ko. Natural light yan ha guys. Nasa harap ako ng window ko. Now, I'm gonna use my setting spray. This is from Skintipic. At as you can see, gamit na gamit ko siya. Malapit na siyang maubos. Bibili naman ako ng bago. Kung gusto niyo yung cheaper version, it's either this, Skintipic, or Dasani ang marirecommend ko for beginners. Ang gusto ko dito is very subtle, very mapino lang talaga yung ina-spray niya. At nagagamit ko talaga siya kapag nag-duty ako sa hospital kasi naglalast talaga yung makeup ko. It's really good product from Skintipic, guys. Kung gusto nyo, I'll just link it sa down below. Okay, papatuyin lang natin siya nilang saglit. I'll show you guys something. Look. This is me and my mom when I was younger. kasal yun nung kaibigan ni mommy. So next is I'll apply my foundation. Foundation time. So for foundation, isa sa marirecommend ko na student-friendly, budget-friendly na foundation is from Pink Flash. So this is a long-lasting matte foundation na it's really good, very affordable. At yung shade ko is shade ko is 5, tan hazelnut. So I think tan walnut this, not hazelnut. Yeah, this is tan walnut from Pink Flash. Very affordable, but very cheap. Very cheap, guys. You can buy this. I think I bought it like only 100 pesos. Yeah, 100. This is. It's very, very affordable, guys. Nung nalaman kong may ganito si Pink Flash, I immediately bought it. Kasi very student-friendly niya. And as a broke college student, guys, I would recommend this. Mamaya ko nalalagyan yung sa neck ko. I would recommend para sa mga beginners na maghanap talaga kayo ng foundation na match sa skin color nyo. Kasi guys, kung ayaw nyo mukhang ghost, find the right shade, guys. So next naman, guys, is concealer na tayo. So I have two concealer na pinag-blend. Two shades, pero same brand. It's from Pink Flash. So, isang shade 04, isang shade 02 from Pink Flash. Yung una ko is yung darker shade. Nalagay ko dyan sa under eyes ko. Tapos, dito, sa aking T-zone, sa forehead ko. Then, here below. Kasi ito yung darker shade. Now, for the lighter shade, ang ginagawa ko is, nilalagay ko lang din sa ibabaw para mas maging perfect yung pag-blend. And naglalagay din ako sa nose ko. Then, sa mga blemishes, nalagyan ko din siya ng aking concealer para ma-hide yung blemishes. It's time to put my gloss sa lips para mag-set na siya. Normally kasi yung ginagawa nila is nilalagay nito bago yung foundation and makeup base. Ako nasanay ako after yun, saka ako naglalagay nito. Now I'm gonna apply my cream blush or my liquid blush on my face. One dot goes a long way, guys. I'm telling you. And just like that, guys, now I'm gonna spray my setting spray again so that my liquid base would set on my face. So for my powder, I'm gonna use my Dr. Sensitive All Day No Sebum Blur Powder in the shade Natural and Nude. So I'm just gonna tap a little bit. And I'm gonna blend it with my Tone Up powder from Pond's. So now, ang gagawin ko is mag-add ako ng isa pang layer ng blush. So it's from Careline. So it's an oil control blush on. Katulong to para ma-control yung oil natin sa face. So I'm just gonna apply it. I-layer lang natin siya. Kung saan natin nilagay yung blush natin earlier. And this is optional, guys. Pero naglalagay ako ng eyeshadow. This one, I think this is 50 pesos only from iSeek. This is from iSeek. And it's very nude color lang talaga. Natural color lang siya. May mga glitters, pero all natural lang. Then I have this Glow Up and Go from Avon. This is from Simply Pretty. And I think I'll use this two na lang for my eyes. This is optional, pero I'll use this. Since ito yung available here in the Philippines. So I'll just use it. So for the base of my makeup, I'll use my brushes. For the base of my makeup, I'll just use this brush and just gently tap it and apply it to my eye, below my eye, like that. The other eye. Yeah. Then I'll use the pink shade in this palette to bring colors sa eyes natin. This is optional, pero this is what I do whenever I go to school. Now, moving on, it's time for my mascara. So, this is from Pretty Secret. This is also advertised by Julian Ward. And this is really a good mascara. It's already 2-in-1. We have eyeliner and mascara in one. Since I don't normally apply eyeliner school, kasi kung naman yun, I'll just use my mascara. Look, see the difference, guys. See the difference. This is with, and this is without. Long-lasting siya, pero hindi siya waterproof. Yun yung maganda. Lalo na, kasi kapag waterproof, ang hirap niya tanggalin. Bukod sa hirap niya tanggalin, tatanggalin yung eyelashes ko kapag tinatanggal ko siya. So, this is very good. Kasi hindi siya waterproof, pero long-lasting at saka affordable pa siya. Fragrance. Para mag-lock lang siya sa face. Let's proceed na sa lips ko. Pero I'll show you guys another step. Optional din to. Pero naglalagay kasi ako ng Lux Organic siya. And meron siyang kasamang may castor oil, and nilalagay ko siya sa eyebrows. Hindi ako gumagamit ng ibang eyebrow gel or what. Lang ginagamit ko. And yan, perfect na siya. And we'll proceed na sa lip products ko. Since very basic lang naman ang ating makeup, I'll just apply this. This is a gloss strip from BLK in the shade Cola. So, medyo glossy siya, pero nagli-leave siya ng stain na maganda, guys. So, I'll just apply this. Like that. And last one spray. Just gonna comb my hair.
Here's the finished results. Thank you for watching.